ready to ditch the realtor and sell your house yourself. Let's get your property listed on Zillow, attracting millions of potential buyers in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Zillow.com and look for the List Your Home button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. You'll be directed to a page where you'll enter your property address. Make sure to type it in accurately so Zillow can pull up the correct details. Next, confirm your property details. Zillow will pre-populate some information, but double-check the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and property type. Correct anything that's inaccurate. Now comes the crucial part: setting your price. Zillow offers helpful tools and suggests comparable listings to help you determine a competitive asking price. Choose a pricing strategy that works best for you, whether it's above, below, or at market value. Pictures are worth 1,000 words. Upload high-quality photos of your home. Showcase its best features: a bright living room, a modern kitchen, a spacious backyard. The better the photos, the more interest you'll generate. Write a compelling description of your home. Highlight key features, recent upgrades, and anything that makes your property special. Be honest and enthusiastic. Finally, review all the information you've entered, check the terms of service box, and hit that publish button. Congratulations! Your home is now listed on Zillow and ready to attract potential buyers. Now keep an eye out for inquiries.